Value means different things to different people. For David, a kitchen designer and showroom owner, value means enjoying CNC's legendary customer service and sterling quality.
CNC's commitment to quality is apparent in every cabinet we see. Whether it's hardware, soft close features, the all plywood construction, the dovetail full extension drawers. It's critical that we deliver quality products and a quality experience to our customer. Our partnership with CNC over the years has allowed us to deliver just that. Working with CNC has been a remarkable experience. They really haven't missed a beat in terms of staying current or ahead of the market. All cabinet companies sell boxes, but what really sets CNC apart is the relationship. They've always been there to make sure that we're positioned well to succeed all the way through from concept to sale. For anyone in the industry, CNC Cabinetry represents the perfect blend of product excellence and supportive relationships. Their dedication to quality and people is central to why we've had such a successful relationship with them. High quality product, amazing service and dedication. To me, that's value. That's CNC.
America's best value in cabinetry.